Experience tranquility at Jiufen Leisure Bed and Breakfast nestled in the charming city of Taipei, Taiwan. Jiufen Leisure Bed and Breakfast offers a serene retreat for travelers seeking a peaceful getaway. This 2-star hotel provides a cozy and comfortable atmosphere, ensuring a memorable stay for its guests. With its recent renovation, Jiufen Leisure Bed and Breakfast boasts modern amenities while maintaining its traditional charm. The hotel features 5 well-appointed rooms, each designed to provide a tranquil and relaxing ambience. Whether you are a solo traveler, a couple on a romantic escape, or a small family looking for a cozy accommodation, this bed and breakfast has something to offer for everyone. At Jiufen Leisure Bed and Breakfast, the check-in time starts from 3 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and unwind. The checkout time is until 11 a.m., providing guests with a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to this peaceful haven. Families with young children will appreciate the hotel's child policy, as it allows children between the ages of 0 to 1 to stay free of charge, making it an ideal choice for a family-friendly vacation.Unwind and Socialize at Jiufen Leisure Bed and Breakfast. Shared lounge and TV area at Jiufen Leisure Bed and Breakfast. You can indulge in a variety of entertainment facilities that will make your stay truly memorable. The shared lounge and TV area is the perfect place to unwind and socialize with fellow guests. Step into this cozy space and sink into the comfortable sofas as you catch up on your favorite TV shows or movies on the large flat-screen TV. Whether you're traveling alone or with friends, this communal area provides a welcoming atmosphere where you can relax and connect with other like-minded travelers.